so happy to talk to you on a day which is observed as Reading Day or Vayana Dinam all over India. It is to commemorate the great contributions of Sri P.N. Panikkar, who is regarded as the father of library movement in Kerala. We observe his death anniversary as Vayana Dinam for a week from 19th to 25th of June every year. Let me ask you a question. Do you have the habit of reading books? Do you remember the name of the book you last read? What types of book you read? You will be having different answers. Whatever be your answer, let me ask you, what are the benefits of reading? Reading books increases your knowledge, enhances your creativity, builds your vocabulary, and makes you wiser and smarter. Reading is important because it develops your mind, your thinking capacity, and your imagination. It improves your grammar and your writing skills. It helps improve your communication skills and you get an idea of the world around you. We get many new words that can be added to our vocabulary, and it is very much educative and entertaining as well. You know, when I was a small child, I used to read children's literature a lot, and that has helped to improve my imagination and creativity. For example, the book Toto-chan by the Japanese writer Tetsugo Kuyanagi. There was another book, Chuk and Gek, by the Russian writer Arkady Gaida. This book took me to a wonder world which I could never ever imagine otherwise. They helped me to know and understand the way of life, the climate, the culture, and so many things about people and places far away. I have a collection of books at my home library. You can see books like The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, Love in the Time of Cholera by Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. All such books will be available in your school library or the library nearby. So, it is my request to you to find out the books of your choice and make it a habit to read regularly. Just reading books is not enough. It would be good if you could write a short note on the book in a diary. Your English teacher will be able to help you in selecting the books and making notes. So, start reading, keep reading. Remember, books are your great friend. The knowledge, the wisdom, the insight, and the pleasure we get from books will be with us forever. Happy reading. Thank you.
My name is Avindika. I am studying in 8th A class. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am standing before you to express my views about the importance of reading. Reading is one of the most important and beneficial activities in life. It's a kind of exercise and keeps your mind active and healthy. It is important to develop the habit of reading, but only for your sake of knowledge, but also for your personal growth and development. Reading enhances your knowledge, improves your concentration, and makes more confidence. Reading daily, one of the best habits, it's develop your imagination and provides you with the fortunes of the knowledge. Good books can influence you positively and guide you towards the right direction in life. Once you start reading, you will experience a new world. Reading develops your language skills and vocabulary. The most important reason of the reading is that gain knowledge, you learn something new when you read. Reads develop anybody which help to be better relation with others. Besides you, no feel both or lonely if they develop good reading habits. Thank you. teachers, and my dear friends. I am Dia of class 10th E. I am here to say a few words about the importance of Reading Day. As you all know, we observe Reading Day on June 19th of every year. It is observed in the memory of Sri P.N. Panikkar, who is known as the father of India's library movement. He was a school teacher, but his contributions towards initiating the tradition of introducing libraries in our country would be remembered forever. As you all know, reading is the most popular hobby of people around the world. Not only reading opens the doors of knowledge, but it also takes away the ignorance from an individual. Reading enlightens our mind and soul. It imparts knowledge through its wide range of literary forms like newspapers, magazines, journals, novels, short stories, essays, and a lot more. We as students should give prime importance to reading. Our reading should not be limited to our curriculum subjects, but should span over the various other fields of interest. Reading provides us with several experiences. It ignites our imagination and creativity. It improves our vocabulary. To sum up, it's reading that makes a person whole and ready for an adaptable social life. So dear friends, make reading a habit that will help you to explore the world. Before concluding my words, let me thank English Club of our school for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all for listening to me. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am standing before you to express my views about importance of reading. Reading is a habit that can make us all a better person. Reading gives us knowledge and inspiration. It makes us smart. There are numerous examples of great people who emphasize on reading for a good and successful life. Reading exposes our mind to a great treasure of ideas and thoughts. People share their experiences in life and work through books. Reading such books can be of great help. Reading novels, biographies, stories, poems, etc. entertain us. It helps to relax our mind. We try to visualize whatever we read. This definitely is a healthy exercise for our mind. Reading improves our concentration power. It improves our emotional health too. Reading books can make us feel happy, sad, loved, and so on. Ultimately, a good book helps us grow emotionally. When we read books, we remember a lot of things like name of the characters, places, important events, and conversations. This helps to improve our memory. Apart from this, we also learn many new words which improve our vocabulary and hence our communication skills. When we read book, we stay engaged in it. We stay in the present moment and forget past bad memories. This helps to reduce stress. Books are one of the most powerful things in the world. They offer us new opportunities to gain knowledge, grow and be inspired. Good books are like a great investment. If we read them, we get an overview of great thoughts and experiences. With so many benefits, reading is certainly a good habit. We all must inculcate it in our lives. Once we develop this habit, we can never get bored. It is really a good way of personal growth and development. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.